This is a room tour of room 923 on the Seabourn Quest, which is a penthouse suite. So I'm just going to walk you through the room and show you all the features. So I'm standing where the front door is now, and right next to me here is the bathroom door, which I'll take you to in a moment. It's very close to the front door, which I'll show you. So you come in and you've got this nice little console desk here where you can leave your cruise cards. It's quite a handy place to leave your we're exploring or do my room thing. You've got this lovely mirror here. I will talk to you about mirrors. And then the entrance to the dressing room is here. And then you step through into a carpeted area, which is the main part of the room. There's an enormous sideboard here, which you could use as a desk. There's a coffee machine on there with some coffee pods and cups and sort of sugars and things. Telephone. Up here you have the glasses. In this one here, can I open this? I can't. Yeah, so you've got your water in there, and then you've got your atlas and a book that you might like to read. You do get a complimentary bottle of spirits. When you get on board, you just ask for what you want and they'll bring it. Yeah, and then you've got a chair here. That's got my lovely handbag that I bought last night. These cupboards are both empty, so you can put your things in. This side has the mini fridge. I'm sure you've all seen a mini fridge before, so I'm not going to show it to you now, but there is a mini fridge in there and it's stocked every day with the mixes and the things that you would like to have. Now the penthouse suite has a lovely bedroom, which is enclosed by these doors. And they do close fully, and they are kind of opaque, so if you do want to get some food delivered to your room, you can, and one of you can stay in bed while the other one takes delivery. Our suitcases are out at the moment because we're leaving tomorrow. You've got this nice TV, which is nicely positioned for the bed, and then there's a little bedside table on each side of the bed as well. They have got, this side has got a USB and the USB, I think it's USB-C, the kind of the fast charge cable, and then you've got a reading light over the bed and a main light. And on this side, I think it's got two USBs and a main socket, US socket. And then down here, you've got the bedside table, the little stool underneath it. No, not a bedside table, dressing table with a little stool underneath it, and that lights up really nicely as well. It's got some really good lights in it, so you can use that to do your makeup if that's your thing. You get a wide selection of different pillows, and the bed is very, very comfortable, far too comfortable. I've spent a lot of time sleeping. Then you come through to the dressing area, and this is a really nice space. You've got lots of storage, you've got your safe, you've got 5 drawers, and they're decent sized drawers as well. And then you can come around here and you've got, that's me, loads of hanging space, tons of hangers, and we've got all of our shoes down there. There's lots of hooks there as well that you can hang things on. There is behind here this shoe storage, which is fabulous, apart from I found all of my shoes fell down the back of it, which is why they're all on the floor there. But anyway, lovely, nice big dressing room, and that's the door. I'll take you down and show you. That door brings you back out into the hallway again. Okay, so then we go into the bathroom. I'll come into the bathroom and show you everything from a distance, I think. Just close the door for a moment. Okay, so you have got double sinks, which is amazing, and the flow of the water is really, really good as well. You've got great lights, great illumination. You've got storage, shelves, a magnifying mirror, which is great. There's more storage there. That bottom cabinet is locked, and I think that's where the cabin host keeps some of their things. And that top one there is just 3 shelves, and you can put all your stuff in there. I'm not going to open it and show you because all of my stuff is in there. But trust me, you can put all your stuff in there. It's really great. Got an enormous shower, and it's got a curved door, which is really, really fabulous. Oh, it's really heavy. But it's just a really nice shower. You've got a handheld shower there, and then that one that kind of shoots out the top. It's quite hard to put the shower on and not get soaked. But it is a great shower. It's got good pressure. And then there's a jacuzzi bath which I haven't used actually, so I can't really give you any thoughts on, but it is a decent size. It's a full-size bath. And then there's the molten brown toiletries there that you can try out, and yeah, they're all different flavours, if you like, of molten brown. Loads of towels, and lovely fluffy bath mats. Really gorgeous, lovely bath mats. And you come through here into what I believe the Americans like to call a half bath. So you've got another sink here, so you've got a line of 3 sinks, which is quite cool. Yeah, so another sink here, we've got some storage under there as well. And then this door brings you back round to the front door of the room. But it does open up into the front door of the room quite close. Anyway, so there we go. And then you come through past the bedroom area, and then you're into the lounge area, which, as you can see, has got a really lovely, and it is really comfortable. Anyone that's watched my previous videos will know I have a real thing about the comfiness of seats. That settee is really comfortable. And really pleasant to sit on, particularly that end near the balcony, because it's just a really nice place to sit. You can see out, but it's just really comfortable. This table here, you can flip that top over, and it has a backgammon board on the other side of it. Then you've got a dining table and 2 chairs, but there is a third sort of armchair there that I suppose you could pull up and make it into a 3. Then there's another great big storage unit there. All of those have got shelves in and they're all empty, so you can use that to store your clothes. And a great big TV, which is really good. It's got loads of different music and movies and interactive stuff. It's really helpful. You can look at your account on there. It's one of the best actually that I've seen on cruise ships. And there you can see the window for the bedroom, which isn't opaque, but there is a curtain that you can pull across, so you've got absolute privacy in there if you need it. And then you've got a nice window here that looks out onto the balcony, and then a single door that takes you out onto the balcony here. So we're in Ibiza today, in the port. This is a nice view of Ibiza town for you. Beautiful. Now the balcony is quite deep, and a really nice size. You've got 2 reclining seats with footstools there, so you can have a nice sunbathe, and a little table for your drinks. And then over here you've got another really decent sized table and 2 very comfortable chairs. So yeah, it's just a really nice room. The only things I would say about it are, I'll come back in here to have this conversation, there are a lot of mirrors. There are so many mirrors. So yeah, especially in the bathroom, it can be quite brutal standing in that bathroom when you've just got out of the shower, when you're on a cruise and you're eating loads of food, so just be wary of that. But no, it is a lovely room on a lovely ship. The balcony is really quiet, everyone's very respectful, and it's just been a really beautiful experience. So I would thoroughly recommend the Seabourn Quest, and I would thoroughly recommend this room.